Forget betting and fake online jobs. If you have a phone and internet, this video will change your life. These 5 quiet hustles using ChatGPT are legal, legit, and you don't need any capital to start. Stick around till the end. I'll show you how to turn AI into steady income right from Nigeria. Before we proceed, this is Earn Smart Nigeria. Kindly subscribe for more great content as this. Thank you. Let's go. 1. Social Media Caption Assistant. You know how business owners post Monday vibes every week? They're tired. That's where you come in. Use ChatGPT to write catchy captions for Instagram, Facebook, even WhatsApp status. You can charge 3,000 Naira to 5,000 Naira per week for daily content, and it takes just 10 minutes to generate. 2. Resume and cover letter services. Many job seekers in Nigeria have poorly written CVs. With the right prompt, ChatGPT can repackage their resume and even create a custom cover letter. People pay 2,000 Naira to 5,000 Naira easily for this, and you can serve 3-5 clients in a day. 3. Business WhatsApp Setup. Most small businesses don't know how to set up their WhatsApp business replies. Offer them a full setup, auto replies, catalog messages, and status content powered by ChatGPT. You can charge 5,000 Naira to 10,000 Naira per setup. One setup a day is already money in your pocket. 4. Assignment and Research Assistant. University and secondary school students need help with assignments, essays, and past questions. With ChatGPT, you become their research plug. Don't do their work, just simplify and package it better. Earn 1,000 Naira to 3,000 per task, and build trust to get more referrals. 5. YouTube Video Scriptwriter. Creators are looking for writers. Instead of struggling to go viral yourself, help others grow their channels. ChatGPT can help you write YouTube intros, outros, titles, even TikTok scripts. Start with Fiverr, Facebook groups, or DM. Upcoming creators charge 2,000 Naira to 10,000 Naira per script. If you've been scrolling and confused about where to start with one hustle today. The money is not always in starting big, it's in starting smart. Don't forget to subscribe for more quiet hustle ideas. We drop smart updates every week. Check the channel for the next video where I show you how to make money even while sleeping with ChatGPT.